the 3 video files right here, teleport practice 1, 2, and 3 loaded up. With this one, it works a lot like Premiere Rush, except when, well, we've got a ton more options. So with this video, when he gets up to the top of his jump, I'm just going to shorten up this clip so it disappears. Then I'm going to take this empty clip, put it up next to it, so now we have him jump up, and it goes to the blank clip. I'll move this one so it's in line, and then I'm going to find the same thing where he jumps, and then shrink this to right here. So now if we watch this, we have him run into frame, jump, he disappears for a while, so maybe we shrink up this clip in the middle. Yeah, definitely want to shrink this. And then it'll pop back into frame. What we're going to be learning how to do is we're going to add this smoke effect, which is attached in that zip file as well. So I can place this right here, and it'll look like this. And we're going to be doing the same thing that we do in Photoshop, where we play with the overlays, where we'll have to come up here to Window, and we want to turn on Effects to open up that. So we have Effect Controls right here, and we'll switch the blend mode for this from normal to lighten. And then we'll also move this around so it pops in right where he jumps. So I might start this a little bit early. So he starts his jump, and I can click on this layer, move it around, resize it so it's a little bit bigger or smaller. So now what we see is he jumps in and he poofs out. And then the same thing when he comes over, we can add in that same file or just move it by duplicating it by holding Alt while we drag it over. So now can grab that one, place it right there, that Nightcrawler effect. So now it pops back into place. I'll shrink this so it all ends in the same spots. So now we have him run in, poofs out. Again, probably shortening this middle part of the clip. And then he poofs back in, teleports. Finally, there's some audio that we'll use. Let's drag this up to this right here. So then we'll get the audio sound effect with it, but I've got this muted right now. The big difference with this, we have way more options for exporting, which is right up here, but we'll just go export. We will rename it to our name, export it to somewhere you can find, just match source, and then click export. And it should be pretty quick because this is a short video. Once we have that, we can attach it to the team's assignment.